Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPhone meets the software requirement because the built-in recognition uses system audio APIs. Open Settings, check Software Update, install if needed. Once done, go to Control Center and add the music recognition tile so you can tap it anytime. You're enabling system-level access for short audio snippets. This reduces latency and preserves privacy. Make sure microphone permissions are allowed when prompted, so the service can capture ambient sound and identify songs accurately. Now you'll perform recognition. Open Control Center and tap the music recognition icon, then hold your phone near the audio source. The system listens for a short fingerprint and returns a match in seconds. If you need history, richer metadata, or offline tagging, install the Shazam app and sign in. It stores results and integrates with Apple Music. Once done, you can enable auto-add or build a shortcut to log matches to notes or a playlist, which helps keep organized records of discoveries. Finish by tapping the recognition notification to see artist, track, and options to add to Apple Music or share. This saves the result and completes the workflow. If you get no match, try again closer to the speaker, lower background noise, or use the Shazam app's microphone for a stronger sample. If issues persist, check microphone permissions, reboot your iPhone, or reinstall the Shazam app. These steps resolve permission conflicts or corrupted caches and restore reliable recognition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.